Welcome crypto world. Here Cryptmania today, another video. Bitcoin is shooting up to the moon. Now 6 days in a row we are just going higher and higher and higher, and we are very close to the next all-time high. So the last all-time high, you see, it was here, and we are just a little bit down under. So we are looking forward to shoot up to the 5,000 mark and break through this all-time high. This is due to some issues also because of the Bitcoin Gold, what is coming on October 25. So people start to hold more Bitcoin, so they will get more Bitcoin Gold tokens. That's basically free cash for them. And yeah, due to these issues, the altcoin markets are dropping very heavily, but we'll come to this later. I just wanted to give you a thought on this. So it's nice that we are rising to the 5,000 mark, but if we draw here back in April this year and we draw up a trend line where basically we bounced off the last time also, when we had the drop, is that normally the price, if we really follow this trend line, we should reach this price what we have at the moment next year, end of January. So guys, yeah, it's rising and it's going to the moon. Just be careful really what you are doing, because for example, when the next hard fork comes in November, it will be possible that we drop again down. So always be prepared for every situation. At the moment it seems like we are going to the moon and we are trying to break here through the all-time high. Yeah, but we have really good times now in Bitcoin. Let's jump over to coinmarketcap.com. As we see here, the last 7 days we had a 12% rise on Bitcoin and even 26% on Ripple. But if we check here the other altcoins, yeah, if we check Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dash, here Neo, IOTA, Monero, all these are down. What are holding strong is our horsepower, guys. Where we are investing in is Bitconnect. Yeah, here always when Bitcoin rises, somehow it's similar with Bitconnect. So all the altcoins go down, Bitconnect doesn't care. We go up. Yeah, so we have here a price of $163 at the moment, and we are shooting up here to see soon the place 10. Yeah, so be in the top 10 with Bitconnect. Yeah, Omnisis Go 10% down, Quantum overall 7% up. But if we look at the chart here, Quantum, yeah, this was my prediction, but due to the money flowing from the altcoin markets into the Bitcoin market, it dropped down drastically. So basically you see here, this is the big drop down where we had the money from the altcoins flowing into the Bitcoin. We see the same here on the Neo scenario, and we see here also on the basic attention token scenario. Yeah, it dropped completely down to the market bottom, and so now all of them try a bit to catch up again, but I think it will be a bit more a sideways movement than that we are going to shoot up. But after the 25th, I guess we will see the altcoins again rising, but till then I think more that we will see a sideways market as people try to go more heavy in Bitcoin and get those free Bitcoin Gold. Yeah, so all around, of course, we have here some expectations, but this is really big price drops. Yeah, here 13% on Lisk, 12% on Waves. Yeah, we have some expectations, of course, here Lumens, but even Lumens in the last 24 hours, if we watch, lost 16%. Yeah, Hash share was completely undervalued, so it's okay that it's in the price up. Steam lost this last 7 days 12%. 10x lost 14%. Yeah, so yeah, here we see our basic attention token lost 26%, gas lost 27%. So basically all the altcoins are down and shooting up into Bitcoin. And in times like this, it's easy to think a bit across the board that Bitcoin is our main reason why everything is here. Yeah, Bitcoin is the main reason why we have all the other altcoins, why we have Ethereum, why we have Ripple, why we have Litecoin, Dash, Neo, all this stuff. Yeah, Bitcoin was the first step for decentralized cryptocurrency. Yeah, so what we have to ask ourselves when we make our own portfolio and we are investing in some coins, yeah, why really we are investing into Bitcoin? Yeah, why many people are investing in cryptocurrency? Isn't it like this, that we invest in cryptocurrency because it's decentralized, because it's fast, and we want to have a currency all together for the world? So if we look at this moment and we say we want to have a currency for all over the world, everybody is paying the same, but we see our cryptocurrency market with here at the moment 1,154 cryptocurrencies. Guys, this doesn't match together. We don't need in our world 1,154 different cryptocurrencies. Yeah, that time before it was difficult for the humanity to go from gold to paper money. That time it was difficult for the complete humanity to use the internet. Okay, now we are using paper money. Now we are using the internet. Yeah, but if you look all over the countries, in the countries they don't have different currencies. They have all over the country has one currency. So for example, in the United States we have the US dollar. In Europe, in some countries we have the euro. Yeah, in Japan we have the yen. But we don't have all over the world 1,154 cryptocurrencies. So guys, what I really want to say to you is that if you invest in altcoins, think about that. Make your research on the coins, if they really, for you, have the possibility to stay alive in this cryptocurrency markets. If you want to make short trades, then make your short trades. But if you really want to invest in a coin and you want to see its future, so now is the point. You are the open-minded people here who are listening to these videos. You are the open-minded people, and you know that cryptocurrencies are our future. And you know that maybe even IOTA is more fast than Bitcoin. Or if you make a Neo transaction or a Litecoin transaction, it's way more fast transaction than you do it with Bitcoin. But you have to have one thing in mind, that when you teach the humanity that from now on then you don't use paper money anymore, from now on then you will use Bitcoin as cryptocurrency, what everybody knows, what everybody heard of, that's an easy step. But they even are not in the step yet to accept cryptocurrencies. You cannot expect from them then in the future that they will say, okay, but I prefer to invest in Litecoin, I prefer to invest in Neo because they have faster transactions, because they have a better blockchain or whatever. All the reasons what we have why other cryptocurrencies are better than Bitcoin. Maybe it's like this, and for sure it's like this, that there are altcoins outside there which are way more safe and way more fast in transaction than Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is the coin what everybody heard of. Bitcoin is the coin with 80 billion market cap at the moment, with a BTC dominance of 52% here. So guys, this video is kind of a video I wanted to tell you Bitcoin is going to the moon. but be aware that it can drop anytime. And what I wanted to say to you also is that every time you make an investment in an altcoin market, make sure you know your risk and make sure that you understand that maybe you are open-minded enough to see what all these altcoins can do in the future, to see the opportunities. But all over the world, all the different people who never heard about altcoins, the people who on the street who tell you, Bitcoin, yeah, I heard of it, but I don't know really what it is. Be aware and understand that the main cryptocurrency at the moment and for the next few years, in my opinion, will be Bitcoin and no other altcoins. And we have to see if they can survive, but for sure not these 1154 cryptocurrencies what we have at the moment. So make sure, guys, that you invest in the right coin. So this is what I wanted to say to you. It's really important to understand that humanity will not change so fast as you open-minded and genius-minded people can do. That's my video for today, guys. If you like the video, subscribe, hit the like button, and see you in the next video.